Le Leanse Nicola Fallon ag follint in iar-bhreithe a léanamh Louise. Sacríú a chur faoi chuireann éad psichiatrach in ospidéal na hOllscoile Gaillimh.
It was horrendous to get that phone call. I screamed and cried and screamed that day. I was told that I was going to have to really go to the hospital, to the psych ward in NUI Galway. I was imagining different realities than what was truly happening, and I believed that they were trying to lock me up and throw away the key and take away Louis and take away everything from me, and that I would just never get out of there again, you know. I wasn't really responding to the medication, so the team there, along with my husband, decided that they would transfer me up to St. Pat's in Dublin. I do remember the trip up there that day, walking in there and being brought into the special unit within a locked ward. So the special unit is a very small ward where the worst cases would be brought.